welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to make the cabbage fufu. Okay, you can use eggplant as well, but today I'm using cabbage. So since I want to do maybe 1/7, so just for me, because I'm the only one on the keto diet. So I'm going to, this was a big cabbage, cut about half or less than half off. Okay, now I'm going to cut it up so I can to fit in the blender so that I'll be able to blend it. Okay, and to get that starchy consistency, I am using Psyllium Husk. Okay, so this is a fiber. Normally you take this if you can't go to the bathroom to do the other business. Number 2, so I am going to use this because it has that thick consistency, so that will make it good, will give it that nice firm texture that you get when you make banku or fufu. So that is the idea. And this is low, if you're low carb diet, this works perfect for you. Okay, so yeah. I'm adding a little bit of water to the base, okay? This way it will help it blend. Okay, so now I'm going to use a spatula. What I'm trying to do is get the water. Get the water out. See, you don't have to throw the water away, okay? And I'm not going to get too much out, just enough to. I'm gonna put the rest in here. So I don't want to do. So all right guys, so there's still a bit of water in here. Like I said, I did not want it to, I didn't want to get all the water completely out, because you're going to need some water for these. Okay, these takes a lot of water to dissolve. So I'll put that in my pot here. You don't have to discard the cabbage right here. If you're making, I'll be making light soup. I think somewhere next week I'm going to be making some fish light soup. So I'm going to use this as a thickener for my light soup. So don't throw it away. This is very nutritious. Contains a lot of nutrients, so you don't want to just throw it away. Okay, so just keep it in, put it in a container, cover it, and put it in your freezer. So the cabbage in here, and if you have a food processor you can use that, but blender works better. The Vitamix always does a good job for me. So I'm just trying to heat it up. That's all I'm trying to do. I just want this to heat up. So now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of this in here. There we go. Can you guys see it now? It's starting to form. More than another. Okay, now it's fine. See, normally the cabbage by itself will not be able to have this consistency. So adding the Psyllium Husk. I don't need to cook this for too long, so anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes is okay. So here we go with our cabbage banku or fufu, whichever way you want to call it. But so this is going to be the starchy part that I'm going to eat with my soup. But this is a healthier option because I don't need all that carbs, you know. Because once you get hold of banku, you don't want to let banku go until you do justice to banku. So you can go for 1, 2, 3. So this is just a 7 just for me. I'm going to have this with my soup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it. If you want to go on this keto journey with me, let me know, and we can be doing these recipes together and losing weight and staying healthy together. So I want to test and taste this food. Okay, so if it's not good, you see the expression on my face, but if it is, the consistency actually is like, it's okay. You can still, it's hot, but you know, you can make it like into, you know, fold it, mold it, that consistency you get with Banku. So I'm going to try it with the soup. It's actually not bad. You can't really, with the soup, you can't really taste this because, you know, you swallow it. This is good. I can eat this. Oh, thank you, Lord. I didn't even pray. Lord have mercy. So this is really good. Oof, it's hot, but I'm trying to. But this is really. Try this, okay? If you want to do this whole keto thing, welcome. But get out of my face. Let me eat my food.